In closing today, I wanted to just hit on a couple of topics real quick. We originally thought about doing the updates on the user persona capabilities and the new services architecture, but in an effort to give some time for questions and more discussion today, we decided to actually make that its own session. That'll probably be the session after the Community Live one in October. And so we'll give some information around the future architecture, things that you need to be aware of as the solution evolves. As I mentioned earlier, the August meetup, we're going to focus on some customer success stories. So would love if you'd like to share your story, just reach out and let me know, and we'll highlight that and have some more customer engagement in the next meetup. Some good things that are going on there. A reminder, this is very important. Mentioned it last month. We'll continue to mention it after October 1st. For specifically for perpetual customers, this message is any add-ons no longer will be able to add those on as perpetual add-ons to your existing maintenance agreement. Any new purchases after October 1st will be subscription based, and it will actually be, I've had some questions since the last meeting about this, so I want to be clear. It will, if you purchase something in October, it will be at a subscription price, and it will be on a separate schedule. And so that now any future purchases after that would then sync to October for your subscription schedule of purchases. You can keep your current maintenance and those items configurations that you have there, but after October 1st, there will be only subscription add-on capability. And we talked last time about the benefit. Hyland's not forcing you to completely flip to subscription. However, two things that to your benefit that you need to be aware of. One is there'll be some real opportunity for incentive over the next couple months for if you have some perpetual purchases, whether with users or with modules that you're thinking of and you'd like to keep all that synced into your one maintenance schedule. There'll be some opportunities for you to do that prior to October 1st, and reach out to me with any questions. Second, we've had several customers and there is a true benefit in flipping over to complete subscription. There's some real value added opportunities, and folks have really had a good experience when they've done that. I'm happy to also give you some evaluations and comparisons. So just reach out to me on either one of those, and we'd be glad to help you with that. Last thing, Community Live. I actually re-recorded this from the call yesterday because we did not know the dates when we actually did the call live. But we now know it came out yesterday afternoon. It will be a virtual event on October 13th to the 15th. There are some training sessions on the 11th and 12th, but the core typical Community Live will be the 13th through the 15th. It is also confirmed that there will be no cost. And although this is virtual, hopefully next year we're all back in person, because it's one of the most amazing experiences to go to a live Community Live with just the thousands of OnBase customers that are there, and you get to collaborate and share ideas. We want to do a bit of a hybrid this year. We'll be scheduling time at our office, and we'll have screens and for the various virtual tracks that are going on. We will welcome you into the LBMC office. We've got multiple rooms for the various tracks, and we can watch these together and then collaborate amongst our LBMC community in person. So maybe that's a step toward back to normalcy. So wanted to make sure you were aware of that. More information to come on that. So thank you again for being a part of the call, and have a good rest of the week.